Hello, my shining stars. This is Emma, and I'm beyond excited to see you back here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be trading on pocket option today, as usual, but I decided to spice up this session and see what I can do with all my knowledge, experience, and wisdom. Yes, I can say wisdom. With just one instrument. So today is going to be very unusual, but I'll show you how you can still get into trading. You know how usually I use a couple of superpowers. So today it's just gonna be one superhero, which is Williams percentage range. I cannot wait to see what we can do with that. So let's jump in and find out together, shall we? Let's do it. It's always good to try something new, some new approach. First of all, candles and one for the time frame. And here we go. Williams. Beautiful. Keeping it very minimalistic. I'm just going to adjust the period. And I'm going to start with $75 for my first bid. And I see that after testing that 2.03 level, the buyers showed quite a strong activity. The price moved confidently upward and the candle closed bullish. So that's going to be a call option, and let's go up right away. Darlings, if you want to build consistent results and explore new trading strategies, I will be very happy to help you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and you'll be surprised because all the information I know and I use, I put it out there for you. So you better check it out. Yes, and the first profit. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Amazing feeling. So how about Intel OTC? Looks good. $140 I'm going to place. And I see that following a correction, the price held above 15.8 and formed a strong bullish candle. An indicator confirms the buyer activity. So what are we going to do? We are going to go up and all the way up. Let's do it. I love to explore when it comes to trading, and I've been trading for so long, and you know how I always use multiple indicators and oscillators to help me make the most informed decisions. But I wanted to show you that if you really understand what you're doing, you can do it even with the one single tool. And that's why I picked the Williams today, because I just wanted to prove it to myself and prove it to you. $268.80. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Love it. And I'm gonna place $270 for this one. And I see that after a steady decline, the price reached the 164.98 level. The Williams remains in the oversold zone, confirming continued selling pressure. So that's going to be a short option. Let's go down. When it's time to sell, what do? Yes, we are selling. And while we're waiting for that drop, I wanted to tell you that if you love the sound of educational approach to strategy and you really want to know how trading works, you will find all the answers in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so don't miss out. The opportunity is waiting for you. And the profit is waiting for me. $518.40. Amazing. Just amazing. Love it. Next asset. And first, let me increase it to $520. And I see, take a look at that. Pretty cool. After a strong growth, the price reached 114.78 and it consolidated above 114.60. And Williams stays in the upper zone, confirming the buyer interest. So that's going to be a call option. Let's buy. Such a wonderful sunny day today. It was super windy yesterday and I hate wind. It's not the most obvious thing to hate, but I hate wind, guys. It just, my hair gets a mess and it just like my skin gets dry. So I don't like wind. What about you? What I do love is the $998.40 I just got. Amazing. Let's get the next pair. And let me place $990 for this one. Guys, I can see that after a series of red candles, look how big they are, the price broke the 152 level, the 154 level, and consolidated below it. And Williams remains in the weakness territory, confirming the seller pressure. So what we gotta do here? That is right, we gotta sell. So we're selling. Yay, $1,900. Almost $2,000, you guys. Did you see that? Oh my God. I want to do another one. And let me please, well, 1,500. Yes, I am going for big numbers. I see that after a strong upward impulse, the price tested 0.60 and began consolidating, and Williams remains above zero, signaling sustained buyer strength. So the buyers are strong and we gotta go all the way up. Time for a long, and that's a call option. $2,880. Oh my God, darlings. I placed $75 as my first bid and I got $3,290 at the end of this session with only the one and only Williams percentage range. And that makes me the happiest. This little experiment worked out just great. I got a terrific profit. I had fun. I hope you also had fun and learned something new. And if you want to learn more profitable strategies and explore more trading opportunities, I will be very happy to give it all to you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video. I cannot wait to see you back here very, very soon. Stay awesome and have a beautiful day. Bye.